Hey guys, it's Sandy. This video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here that I created using both the Desi Katie Dose of Colors Friendcation palette and the Pat McGrath Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction palette. Yeah, let's get right into it. I'm setting from the crease all the way up to the brow bone with Basic from the Desi Katie Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, Churro on a Wayne Goss number 3. I'm going to clean off my brush and I'm going to go back into Basic and buff out the edge of Churro. Girl Bye on a Wayne Goss number 20, and I'm placing that on the outer V and slightly in the crease, and then blending that out with the Wayne Goss number 3. I'm also placing Girl Bye on the inner corner area, kind of like the halo, and then I'm very lightly blending that through this crease part here so that I can connect it. I always do smoky eyes because I feel like that's what looks best on my eye shape, but you know, sometimes you gotta do something different. So we'll see where this takes us. So now I'm going to take Extreme Aubergine from the Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction Palette, still on that Wayne Goss number 20, and I'm placing it on the outer corner, the outer V, on top of the Girl Bye. I'm not moving it that much. I'm mostly tapping just to deepen it up a little bit. Hit a little on this inner corner, but only on the lid part of my eye. Okay, I'm going to clean off my brush and I'm going to go back over those areas with Girl Bye. I blended out this inner corner a little too much. So I'm going to go back in with Extreme Aubergine. That right back in there. So on a flat brush from LMR Cosmetics, I picked up a little Violet Boss glitter glue and I'm going to place that right in the center of the lid. Pat that around in a U-type shape. And then I'm going to pick up Try Me on my curve. Place that right over top of that. Trying to get this shape right is the hardest thing. So I'm going to go back into Girl Bye and stamp out the edges here. Clean up a little more Extreme Aubergine. Going back over the inner and outer corner here. Back into Girl Bye. A lot of back and forth. Okay, so I'm taking that Rose Gold 005 and I'm just popping that right over that. I'm going to dip into Necessary with my Wayne Goss number 3 and then into Basic. Going to curl my lashes. I'm going to clean up any glitter that fell. I'm going to prime my lower lash line with a little more of my Milani Eyeshadow Primer with a flat brush. Going to Basic from the Friendcation palette. Very lightly set that primer. On a Wayne Goss number 7, I'm going to pick up Extreme Aubergine and I'm going to place that right at the lash line and connect it to this outer corner here. And bring it about 3/4 of the way in. Wayne Goss number 20, I'm going to go back into Girl Bye and lightly buff out the edge of that. And then I'm going to go back into Extreme Aubergine and go over it again. For this inner portion here, grab a little more glitter glue on that LMR Cosmetics brush, add that on there, and then I'm going to take the Rose Gold 007. Clean up underneath there, back into Extreme Aubergine, bring that down at an angle, time for a little mascara. Water Beauty Unlashed Mascara. It's starting to dry out, but it still works really, really well. Definitely doesn't give volume, but it definitely separates. For my waterline, I'm going to take this Artist Color Pencil from Makeup Forever in Completely Sepia. It's number 602. Okay, so a billion years later, back to the eyes. So I'm going to go with Girl By on that wing gloss number 20 again, and just pop out that edge so that it's seamless. I think I also want to bring a little more this Stream Aubergine into the crease and just fix the shape of it a little more. On a Smith 230, I'm going to dip into Girl By and bring that pinky shade, or at least make it a little more visible in the transition area. Then on a Lexi 211, I'm going to take Basic and hit the brow bone. I just like one side better than the other. I like this side more than I like this side. I'm going to highlight the inner corner. I'm going to use Fuego and a wing gloss number 5. Just going to brighten up that inner corner there. Perfect. Going to use the Makeup Finishing Setting Spray. And I already sprayed it once, but a little more doesn't help. It doesn't hurt. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Forgot to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to do that with a little Fuego. Okay, I'm going to line with MAC Strip Down. I'm going to go in with my mane. That pairs perfectly with MAC Strip Down. So that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, and I will see you later. Bye.